Stop settling for that muddy, distorted mess coming out of your door panels every time you try to crank the volume. Most people think the secret to a great car audio system is just buying a bigger amplifier or a heavier subwoofer. They keep throwing power at the problem without realizing they're just making a louder version of a bad sound. The real secret is control. Pure surgical control over every frequency hitting your ears. That is exactly why a dedicated digital signal processor like this Taramps unit is a total game changer for the serious enthusiast. It acts as the command center for your entire vehicle. Instead of letting your head unit decide how things should sound, you take the wheel. Think about the way sound travels inside a cramped car cabin. It bounces off glass, gets absorbed by seats, and reaches your ears at all different times. This hardware solves that with time alignment. You can literally delay the sound from the speakers closest to you so that every note from every corner of the car hits your eardrums at the exact same moment. It creates a phantom center image that makes it feel like the band is performing right on top of your dashboard. Then you have the crossovers. Most basic amplifiers have a simple switch, but this processor lets you dial in the exact frequency where your mid-bass should hand off the work to your tweeters. It prevents your speakers from trying to play notes they were never designed to handle. This keeps your sound clean and prevents permanent damage. Speaking of protection, the built-in limiter is like having a professional sound engineer standing over your shoulder. It monitors the signal and steps in before things start to clip or distort. You can push your system to its absolute limit without the constant fear of smelling burning voice coils. It is a level of precision you just cannot get from a standard setup. This hardware gives you a scalpel instead of a sledgehammer. Now, this is not a plug-and-play toy for someone who just wants a little more kick. This is for the person who wants to spend an afternoon fine-tuning the equalization until the acoustic guitar sounds like it is being played in the seat next to them. You have multiple output channels to play with, which gives you the freedom to build a truly active system. You can separate your highs, your mids, and your lows into their own dedicated streams. This allows for a level of clarity that will make you hear details in your favorite songs that you never knew existed. While some high-end processors can cost a fortune, this unit brings that professional level of customization down to a price point that actually makes sense. It is the bridge between a hobbyist setup and a competition-grade system. If you are ready to stop guessing and start truly listening, this is the tool that finally puts you in charge of your audio destiny. You become the master of your own soundscape. You are not just turning a dial anymore. You are carving out a space where every instrument has room to breathe. It is about the difference between hearing a song and actually feeling the intent of the artist. When you finally get that delay set perfectly and the vocals snap into focus right in front of you, there is no going back. That is the moment you realize your car is no longer just a vehicle. It is a high-fidelity listening room. This processor is the key that unlocks that door. You can feel the vibration of every string and the punch of every kick drum exactly as they were meant to be heard. It is pure audio liberation.